Hey everyone. So yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to create clickable PDF documents in Canva for business use step by step. Clickable PDFs are great for brochures, proposals, reports, and lead magnets. First, log into Canva and create a new document or presentation. Starting with the right layout makes navigation easier. Design your pages with clean spacing, headings, and visuals. A clear structure looks more professional for business use. Select any text, click the link icon, and add a website, email, or phone link. This lets readers click directly from the PDF. You can also create clickable buttons using shapes or icons, link them to websites or specific pages. For multi-page documents, link elements to page numbers. This is perfect for tables of contents or internal navigation. Before exporting, preview the document and test every link carefully. Testing prevents broken links in client-ready files. Click Share, then Download, and choose PDF Standard. This keeps all links fully clickable. Quick tips: keep navigation simple, use consistent button styles, and avoid clutter. These details make your PDFs easier to use. And yeah, that's how to create clickable PDF documents in Canva for business use in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.